Welcome to a brand new set of online publications for Winnipeg home buyers, sellers, and owners. Hi, I'm 𝗀𝗀𝗀𝘀, residential real estate agent with RE/MAX Performance Realty, proud to introduce the most unique real estate publications available today. How unique? These digital magazines display equally well on your desktop, laptop, tablet, or your mobile phone. They look, feel, and even sound like traditional paper magazines, but their versatility far exceeds that of their printed contemporaries. Each publication is filled with multimedia goodies like audio, video, immersive quizzes and polls, as well as links to active listings, additional articles, resources, and local events. As the name suggests, these digital magazines are created specifically for the Winnipeg reader. Any ads you find here are from trusted and reliable service providers. I truly hope you enjoy reading this edition, and please let me know if you have any ideas or suggestions for future content or improvements. And I've made it super easy to find. Simply go to 𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀homes/mags. So 𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀homes/mags.